In adults, symptoms of vitamin C deficiency develop after weeks to months of vitamin C depletion. Lassitude, weakness, irritability, weight loss, and vague myalgias and arthralgias may develop early. Symptoms of scurvy related to defects in connective tissues develop after a few months of deficiency. Follicular hyperkeratosis, coiled hair, and parafollicular hemorrhages may develop. In infants, symptoms include irritability, pain during movement, anorexia, and slowed growth. In infants and children, bone growth is impaired, and bleeding and anemia may occur.